Cafe. Today I'll be presenting to you the different PPE, or also known as the personal protective equipment used in SMAW, which means the shielded metal arc welding. But first, what is this personal protective equipment all about? Generally, personal protective equipment is anything used or worn by a person to minimize risk to the person's health or safety and includes a wide range of clothing and safety equipment. In a hazardous job like welding, every welder must wear PPE. First, we have is the face or welding shield. It protects the head, face, eyes from radiation, burns, and physical injury that may be caused by sparks and sputters. Also, safety goggles are used to protect flying objects like metals which can ricochet under the helmet, and besides, they are worn when chipping slag from a weld. Next, we have the gloves. Not the boxing gloves, doctor's gloves, but it's called the welder's gloves. Gloves are worn to prevent heat discomfort, to protect against electrical shock, heat radiation, sparks, and sputters. It should be made of leather so that it will give better quality protection. And for the body protection, we have cape and bib, leather jacket, leather apron, leg apron, and coverall. They are used to protect exposed body parts from radiation, heat, sparks, and sputters, and to minimize skin burn. Also, welders should wear safety shoes to give them protection against the required level of impact from falling objects and resist penetration by sputter and sharp objects. In addition, RP respirator or respirator protective equipment is also worn to protect the welder against inhalation of hazardous substances such as gas, vapor, fume, and dust. There are two types of RPE, namely respirators or filtering device which uses filters to remove contaminants from being air breathed in. Another is the breathing apparatus, or also known as power respirators. This supplies breathing quality air from an independent source. For example, is the air cylinder or air compressor. Also, air protectors are worn to control noise and to prevent spark, sputter, and hot metal from entering the eye, or rather the ears, and causing burn. There are three types of ear protection. The ear plugs, which are formable and foam that will expand to fill the ear. Another is the ear muffs, fitted against the head and enclose the entire external ears. And the last, namely the ear muffs attached to helmets, a multi-purpose device which protects the ear and head as well from sparks and sputter. I hope you have learned something today. Good day everyone, thanks for watching. Kamali ako.